In the world of landlord-tenant relationships, solid lease agreements are the foundation of a smooth and hassle-free experience. But what happens when changes need to be made after the lease is signed? Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we'll dive deep into creating a bulletproof lease addendum. We'll equip you with the insights to navigate those unexpected changes in landlord-tenant relationships seamlessly. Now, before we go any further, a legal disclaimer. This video provides a basic outline on lease addendums and is not legal counsel. Always consult an attorney before drafting legal documents. So, picture this. Life throws a curveball and you need to adapt your lease, perhaps a new pet policy or rent adjustments. This is where a well-drafted lease addendum comes to the rescue. Precision is key. Clear language eliminates ambiguities and ensures everyone's on the same page. So here are some key components of a bulletproof lease addendum. Clarity and specificity. Don't just say pets allowed. Specify types and set guidelines. Comprehensive description of changes, be it rent changes or maintenance shifts, describe them in detail. Reference to original lease. Your addendum isn't standalone, so always tie it back to the original lease. Signatures and dates. Make it legally binding with signatures from both parties and be sure to include the date of execution. Pet policy amendments. Your tenant wants a pet now? Draft an addendum outlining rules and fees. Rent adjustments. Market changes. Be transparent and ensure new rent terms are clearly stated. Alterations and improvements. Upgrading the property. Keep your tenant informed. Subletting and guest policies. Tenant relocating temporarily. Set subletting conditions. Maintenance and repairs. Changing maintenance responsibilities, lay them out clearly. Stay attuned to local regulations and laws, and when in doubt, get legal advice. And here are some frequently asked questions. Can a lease addendum override the original lease terms? The answer is yes, it can modify specific terms of the original lease agreement, but it should complement, not nullify. Is a lawyer's involvement necessary? The answer is not always, but it's a smart move for complex changes or legal matters. How should both parties handle disagreements? The answer is open communication. Consider mediation if needed. Master the art of lease addendums with DoorLoop and explore more property management tips on our platform. If you want to learn more specifically about DoorLoop's property management software, click the link in the description below and schedule a free demo. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with a link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.